Hi, welcome to Cruiser RV. My name is David Dilworth, and we're here to take a look at a brand new Shadow Cruiser 259 BHS. I do want to apologize for all the road noise. We're at campsite number 6, just outside of our PDI facility in Howe, Indiana, and all that noise you're hearing is from traffic on I-8090. I do believe just about every RV ever built has been driven down that road, so if you're ever on it, safe travels. Let's take a quick peek at this new Shadow Cruiser. We have our awesome painted front cap like you saw, and all the features you come to love about Shadow Cruiser. Pass-through storage, 30-inch entry door. This bunkhouse in particular does have a 28-foot awning that extends over your outdoor kitchen, and a wonderful window in the kitchen area so you can look outside while you're cooking or cleaning and know what's going on your campsite. It's really cool. We'll take a walk inside through our 30-inch entry door. Really easy to get in and out of. Now, we love this floor plan. It's pretty unique, and I think it hits all the right points. The entertainment center is in the right spot. You can view it from all your sitting areas. Our kitchen gives you plenty of counter space, and again, you can see outside into that campsite and see what's going on. Lots of storage, doors and drawers. Has a classic double over double bunk, so we do give you easy access underneath with drawers or doors that open up. And our bathrooms are awesome. We have a towel hanger, toilet paper holder, big shower, and tons of natural light with that skylight and extra window. And our vanity is awesome. It's really second to none. Our slide out has a refrigerator in it along with a booth dinette that gives you easy access storage underneath with hidden hinge cabinet doors. And then this awesome sofa too. So you get a dinette and a sofa where you can sit and view your entertainment center. It's just awesome. Overhead storage is a great place to store books, coloring books, electronics. There's USB ports so you can charge all your goodies. And then the master bedroom is private with a queen size mattress. Please visit your local Shadow Cruiser dealer. Ask them to see the 259 BHS. I think you're going to like what you see.